My name is Jess, the senior fashion and beauty editor at the Everygirl, and welcome to my walk-up style apartment in Chicago. The overall vibe of my home is mid-century modern and eclectic. It's really important to me that my home shows my personality, so you'll see a lot of that here through unique decor, DIY items, fun artwork, color and pattern, and personal touches like photos and other mementos. I primarily shop secondhand, so almost everything you see here is thrifted or from Facebook Marketplace, including all of the big furniture pieces. I always try to find something secondhand first, and then I'll supplement with new things when needed. The first space is what I call my girl cove, or my office, so it's where most of my personality comes through. I love the color and pattern as it inspires me while I'm working and while I'm crafting. I did a few DIYs here, like painting the lampshade and adding the ruffle trim to my corkboard. The funky striped rug really ties everything together. Our couch is another secondhand item, and its main purpose is seating all of our friends when hosting, which we love to do. The original marble fireplace is obviously one of my favorite features in the apartment, so we really let it be the focal point. I searched forever for a fun floor lamp and could never find the right one secondhand, so I ended up buying this one on Amazon. I love that it ties in the chrome legs of our coffee table. The green marble-topped Credenza, along with our record player, gallery wall, and vintage lamp, is one of my favorite vignettes in the apartment. Every single piece was purchased secondhand, and some of the prints are from Etsy. Funny enough, I traded a bed frame for this gorgeous solid wood dining table, and my mom and sister found these Seska-style chairs, which had been on my wish list forever, on the side of the road. My space is ever-changing with seasons and new finds, but I hope it inspires you to think outside the box when it comes to decorating your own home. Thanks for watching!